Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ulfa Sukrina. I will read a journal that contains the contribution of student linguistic intelligence to reading comprehension. Thank you for watching.
After analyzing some qualified journal is the date of this year. The research from some results as follows. First, Mujiono et al. Found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student academic achievement. It was proven by the result of the correlation coefficient was, which means there was a quite strong relation between student linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participant of this study was English Education Department student. It also found the linguistic intelligence gives strong effect on student English skills, including reading comprehension. It can be seen from the that the linguistic intelligence gives effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the right also found that emotional intelligence slow a weak effect on the student achievement rather than linguistic intelligence. I can be said that linguistic intelligence gives significant contribution towards student achievement in English, including reading comprehension. Actually, many studies also indicate the comprehension. Same result of this study specifical in reading comprehension. In other words, the student in linguistic intelligence more gave contribution toward student academic achievement than emotional intelligence. Second, Ramini et al. Reported that linguistic intelligence became a strong predictor of student reading comprehension. Then the participant of this study was Iranian student who took English major. Partially speaking, also noted that linguistic intelligence was related with the student cognition, which was involved that linguistic intelligence reading program because intelligence and cognition are the part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it's involved in reading activity. As it was discussed above, is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more can their ability using the study that was conducted by Devi saw that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on student reading comprehension. Besides, the participant of this study was Indonesian student at Madrasah Pembangunan, Jakarta. From this study, it claimed that the student who had good linguistic intelligence tend to have a good reading comprehension because English variable of linguistic intelligence gave contribution in improving the student reading comprehension ability. It was really the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can predict the student's success in learning because it involves the student cognitive process. In addition, it also found some indicate of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved to read. Second, the student often spoke what they have read. Third, they were good spelling parents. Next, they like playing word games or poems. They can remember general knowledge, quote, and word easily. Next, they explain and interpret what they have read easily. Last, the student had good knowledge about the language use. Based off the indicator, it can be said the student will have domain linguistic intelligence comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic reading because they understand what they have, they easily solve the awareness about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can check their learning habit and learning style that is appropriate with their intelligence, so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new ideas in teaching learning process and use the appropriate teaching material that fit with the studying language intelligence. For Dewi and Wilani, attempted that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was so from the round was, which means that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the right also explaining that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen to fulfill indicator. First, his student write story essay about their daily experience. Second, they can express their ideas clearly. Third, the student had resolved. Fourth, the student enjoy in reading mannequin the decks saw a book. Newspaper magazine. Fifth, the student can spell the word the language easily. Sixth, they like list to story. 7. They can do intelligent can be say by their interest in using language. Besides the learning process, it crucial to use intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension because linguistic intelligence can reflect the student's success in reading comprehension. With the data that show that of the student reading comprehension which main language intelligence have contributed toward reading comprehension, then the participant of the student reading comprehension will improve if their linguistic intelligence is it was be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence because I can help them using the language actively. Sheikh Hasanuddin and Fitrianingsih found that there were some indication of linguistic intelligence of students in reading subject. First, the student had excellent knowledge in mentioned words such a day of the books. Second, the student will enjoy wordplay. For example, in doing the sub games, they can answer the question, they write the word correct, have read and discussed it. Fourth, most students were having difficulty in mathematics listen. The perfect the that so the only and the mathematics they quest randomly because it was difficult for them the confession they use some words the relate to something they have read and heard before so as the words that they had heard from their classmates in the word that they had read from articles. 6. The student had ability in write the party based on their personal experience. In line with find above, the introduction of linguistic intelligence can be seen through the student characteristic in learning process. Therefore, there can be effort that the student who have good linguistic intelligence that have creative thinking because they write from their classmates. In contrast, based the earlier it was found that there was minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence in their study. Besides, the participant of the study was Indonesian and undergraduate student also. The right mentioned the I am a study not for generation, but the result of this study was done by phenomenal learning language. The result show some of the aspects student linguistic intelligence. First aspect the ability to see the language effectively of persuade others. However, the results show that only student instant some students in lack of linguistic factor right from. Second aspect is mnemonic, that is the ability in memory the information. It was for the third aspect explained that the ability delivery figurative language in order to deliver their ideas. Also for aspect metalinguistic, that is the ability learning student where active participate did not familiar. From the result, it can be seen that reading activity the students still but their core in learning language even though the still difficult in delivering the talk in spoken and write form. Last, Reza and Terbizi found the linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor the intelligence type. It also found the student with high linguistic intelligence were able to use the language they were typical good reading party. In line with the Frank has also contribution in predict the student reading comprehension. In other words, the students saw no reading comprehension. In fact, the student not aware about their linguistic intelligence. How is also the linguistic intelligence in classroom. For playing word games and storytelling that improve the student ability in using a language. It is all supported by Garnet E. Arnold Alphonse was that is important to know and develop the individual's different type of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because the individual the different the age order based on the result of the research of the student linguistic intelligence gives significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the student should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them improve their ability in reading.